Save data transfer is one of the coolest new features in Switch firmware 8.0, the latest version that dropped last night out of nowhere. Now, this may be laying the groundwork for some truly epic E3 reveals, but we'll talk about that at a later time. Right now, I want to take you through the save data transfer process and find out if it's easy, hard, simple, time-consuming, what it all entails. So we'll go and sort with the new sorting options by title, and let's grab my Super Mario Odyssey save data. I have 2 Switches here, so I thought it'd be pretty cool to check out and share with you in case you don't have 2 Switches, as that's the only way to really see how this entire process works. Now, you hit Options, go to Manage Software, and hit Transfer Your Save Data. A key to remember here is that you must have the same profile on both Switches to make this work. It'll then take you to a screen where it allows you to either send the data or receive the data, so it's the same process on both Switches. You then pick your profile, and here's the kind of cumbersome part. It brings you to another list of all of your games and all of your save data. So frankly, it doesn't matter which title you hit transfer your save data on, you might as well just use your most recently played game, because it's going to take you to the list again where I'll select Super Mario Odyssey once again. You then hit Send Save Data, and it says you need to prepare the target console. So we'll swap over to the other Switch, which also, as you see, has my Zack profile on it. It is required. And then we'll do the exact same thing. There's Mario Odyssey, although it doesn't really matter. We'll hit Options, go down to Manage Software, transfer your save data, and then hit the Receive option on this system. It now brings up this screen, which is so reminiscent of a 3DS download screen, if you remember what those looked like when you would grab a game off of the shop over there. And you have to put the consoles pretty close together. I'm talking within a foot. I sat them right next to each other, and then the process began on its own, and it happened quite quickly. As you see, it sends over the save data real easily, real quickly, and you're ready to go. So now the save data transfer is complete. The one potentially negative part of this is that it does delete the save data on the original console. So we'll swap back to my main Switch. You can now see that the save data has been sent. It says you can resume the game on the new Switch. But if I open up Super Mario Odyssey here with my Zack profile, you'll notice that it has wiped the save data. Now, I'm sure this is put in place to prevent any sort of cheating or working of the system with certain games, especially games that have online. But it does then create a void where this original Switch has a blank Mario Odyssey save, and you can see it's starting a brand new file. But alas, it does move the data perfectly over to my Zack profile on the new Switch, and then I can boot up the game right where I left off, and we are ready to go. So it seems to work super well. It's a very quick process. All in all, if you know what you're doing, it should only take you 2 minutes or so to get this done. The transfer is very quick. You just put the Switches right next to each other. The setup on both consoles is easy. The only thing is you do have to go through that menu again. So again, make sure to pick just the newest piece of software. It doesn't matter which game you select the transfer your save data option for, and you're in, ready to go. A seamless process that seems to be setting the stage for some big new announcements. What do you guys think about the save data transfer process? Are you pumped to have it in place? And do you foresee yourself using it? And if there is to be a new Switch Mini or a Switch Pro, do you foresee yourself using this process to move all of your data over? There already is the cloud save data system, but I like this one better. It includes all games, it's very simple, and I think this is what players are going to use if they are to upgrade or switch Switches at some point in the near future. Give me your take in the comments down below. Already hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, Switch Force out.